High above the jagged peaks of the Rocky Mountains, a golden eagle hangs suspended on a thermal updraft, appearing as nothing more than a dark speck against the blinding sun. To a human observer standing on the valley floor, the landscape below is a beautiful but blurry mosaic of green pines and gray granite. But for the eagle, the world is a hyper-saturated, ultra-high-definition tactical display. From a height of 1,000 feet, the bird's gaze locks onto a subtle shimmer in the tall grass, a glowing trail of ultraviolet light invisible to any human eye, marking the exact path a small rodent took moments ago. With a slight tilt of its wings, the predator enters a terminal velocity dive, its focus never wavering from a target that to us simply does not exist. The mastery of the eagle is not found in its talons or its beak, but in the twin spheres of its eyes, which are arguably the most sophisticated optical instruments in the known biological world. While a human eye is roughly the same size as an eagle's, the internal architecture is vastly different. An eagle's retina is packed with millions of light-sensitive cells called cones, boasting a density nearly 5 times that of a human. This creates a level of visual acuity that allows them to see 5 basic colors where we see only 3. They inhabit a world of pentachromatic vision, a reality where the sky is not just blue, but a shimmering gradient of hues that define wind currents and atmospheric pressure. The most profound advantage of the eagle's God-eye view is its ability to perceive the ultraviolet spectrum. To a human, a field of grass is a uniform green. To an eagle, that same field is crisscrossed with glowing highways left by the urine and waste of small mammals. These organic traces reflect UV light with such intensity that they act like neon signs pointing directly to the prey. This ability to see the invisible transforms the hunt from a game of chance into a calculated harvest. The eagle is not looking for the animal itself, it is tracking the energetic signature the animal leaves on the environment. Beyond the color spectrum, the physical structure of the eagle's eye functions like a dual-purpose telephoto lens. They possess 2 fovea, the areas of sharpest focus in the eye, whereas humans have only 1. This allows an eagle to focus on a wide-angle view of the horizon and a highly magnified view of a specific point simultaneously. They can scan the entire landscape for threats while keeping a microscopic focus on a single movement in the brush miles away. It is a biological integration of a panoramic camera and a sniper scope, operating in perfect synchronization. The depth perception of these birds is equally supernatural. By processing images at a much higher frame rate than humans, eagles perceive time differently. In the split second it takes for a fish to break the surface of a lake, the eagle has already calculated the refraction of the water, the speed of the wind, and the exact trajectory needed for a strike. Their world moves in slow motion, allowing for mid-air corrections that defy the laws of physics. Every gust of wind is visible to them through the movement of particles and the shifting of light, making the air a tangible, navigable map. This visual prowess has shaped the very evolution of the avian kingdom. The brilliance of a bird's feathers is not just for aesthetic beauty. It is a complex communication system designed for eyes that can see the hidden shimmer of UV-reflective plumage. For an eagle, the forest is alive with hidden signals, territorial markers, and courtship displays that remain completely darkened to the human experience. They are the true witnesses to the Earth's hidden colors, living in a vibrant, glowing masterpiece that we can only imagine through the lens of technology. The sky is not an empty void to an eagle, it is a cathedral of light and information. While humans rely on tools and satellites to map the terrain, the eagle carries the entire spectrum of the planet within its skull. This God-eye view is a reminder of the limitations of human perception. We walk through a world of shadows, while the eagle soars through a world of pure, unadulterated light. As the sun sets and the UV trails begin to glow even brighter in the twilight, the eagle remains the undisputed master of a reality that exists right before our eyes, yet remains forever out of reach. The legacy of the eagle's vision is a testament to the power of specialized evolution. In the high-stakes theater of the wild, information is the ultimate currency. By seeing what cannot be seen, the eagle has claimed the throne of the atmosphere. It looks down upon the world not with the simple gaze of an animal, but with the cold, precise, and multispectral clarity of a being that sees the universe for what it truly is, a complex, glowing web of energy and life.